Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix the issue while you try to open web pages in Google Chrome and you are getting the error which is something went wrong while displaying this web page and error code status access violation. And if you try to reload the page, you can see that the page is reloading and after few moments it giving same error. So let me show you how to fix it. For that, click on three dots on top right corner and try clear browsing history, but you can see that history page gives same error. And if I click delete browsing data also gives same error. So in this case, better try to restart the system once. I'm going to restarting the system now. Okay, now the system is restarted. Now let me open the web page again. Now you can see that the issue is resolved. So in my case, the simple restarting the system helped to resolve the issue. If in your case, the issue still not resolved, then try to uninstall the Google Chrome from your system and reinstall it back to system. Reinstalling will help to resolve most of the issues. That's it.